you were in UK and investment banker बनना था. Investment banker बनने के बाद आप इंडिया वापस आए इधर एक्टिंग करने के लिए, राइट? I think
मतलब बैंकर बन नहीं पाए इसलिए वापस आना पड़ा.
अच्छा.
Yeah, because
okay, क्या story है? Tell me.
See, 2009 में I graduated, and 2008-2009 was when the global recession had
worst time for the world in the world of finance.
Exactly. So for us, we were like, ये देखो हमारी डिग्री, अब हमें जॉब्स दो, एंड पीपल वर स्लैपिंग अस इनसे निकलो यहाँ से. लिटरली ये था.
जॉब्स ही नहीं है जिनको बड़े बड़ों की चलेगी क्या हो.
हाँ, 100% यही हुआ था. आई रिमेम्बर आई वाज स्टैंडिंग इन कनेरी वॉर्फ इन लंदन, एंड मैं वहाँ खड़ी हूँ, एंड एक फिल्म सीन है जैसे राउंड ट्रॉली शॉट नहीं होता है कि मैं वहाँ खड़ी हूँ और मैं सारे बैंक्स को देख रही हूँ, एंड आई वाज लुकिंग एट दीज fancy bankers in their suits and these women in like heels walking, like you can see their, with these expensive bags and all, and in the other arm they were holding their boxes because they were probably just fired or just lost their jobs. I was literally looking at these people. They were bankers on the floor with CVs, like 300 CVs printed on the floor, sitting looking for jobs, and these are people from qualified business schools. It was that bad. And here I was, I had promised my dad that you please arrange funds and send me to UK somehow. And उसके बाद मुझे छोड़ देना, मैं करूँगी. I will do it.
खुद से सब हो जाएगा.
सब हो जाएगा. And I will give you back everything that you will spend. And this is what happened in 2009. मैं निकली वहाँ से और jobs ही नहीं है. Now, how do I tell my father कि actually I'll have to come back because my visa is expiring, blah, blah, blah. I didn't tell him the whole story. I just said कि actually I need to get more work experience right now. It's not a good time for jobs. And I'll come to India for 6 months. I'll gather work experience and then I'll go and study again or something. And Mimi Didi, Priyanka's mother, my buddy mama, I took her into confidence and I said, listen, you have to help me. Can you please help me find a job? I'll come to Bombay. I won't even go back home to Ambala. I'll come to Bombay. Just help me. She said, yeah, come. I packed up everything and I came to Bombay. And even she couldn't do much because banks were not hiring. And one day I just went to YRF to see my sister shoot for Pyar Impossible. Okay. So I had just gone to set to like see her.
Right here.
Literally here. 2 minutes from here. Yeah. And मेरा उस time दिमाग चमका. मैंने कहा, this is a production house, a studio. They are probably not affected by the recession right now. Can I get a job here? And literally from lunch, I just went up and I met the marketing head and I said, please give me a job. And he said, listen, you're overqualified for this. I said, I know, but I don't have a job. Just give me a job. And I became an intern at YRF. And 1.5 years of that.
Intern is what field?
In marketing and communication. So I used to like do the promotions, how we do promotions for our films today. I used to do promotions for other actors.
Nice. Who was the first actor जिसके लिए promotion किया?
Rani in Dil Bole Haripa. I remember. I'll never forget it. I did Rani, Dil Bole Haripa. Then I did Lafange Parinde, Deepika and Neil, Nitin Mukesh. I did Badmaash Company with Shahid and Anushka. Yeah. I did... then I did Band Baja Barat.
Okay.
That was my final film. Band Baja Barat.
And what all you did for them? क्या किया उनके लिए?
Like right from ordering their coffees to taking care of their interviews. So a lot of friends in the media who I do interviews with today are the same media people had seen me during my YRF days. Yeah, and I used to coordinate interviews for all these actors. And then after Band Baja Barat, I actually left YRF. And I said, okay, now let me try my hand at acting for a year. And if nothing happens, I'll go back and study. I have my degree. And I left the job, and like a few days later, Adi called me to the office, Aditya Chopra. He called me to the office. And I was wondering, I was like, मेरा क्या लेना था? मैं तो job छोड़ दिया, अभी क्या हो सकता है? And he sat with me and he said, so Pariniti, so we'll sign you for a 3-film deal at Yash Raj. So I said, what is happening right now? What are you saying? basically a month before that, I had gone to meet Shanu Sharma, the casting director of YRF, and she had just shot me on camera doing these basic like lines, things that she had given me on paper, and that was my audition for Adi. I never knew that. He saw that video and he thought that I could be an actor and I could do something in this industry, and he just signed me for a 3-film deal, and I was on Ladies vs Ricky Bell a month later.
तो ये सब डू यू थिंक कि YRF तक कोई पहुंच ही नहीं पाता अगर आपकी फैमिली नहीं होती उधर? तो
100%. If my sister was not working in YRF at that time or shooting in YRF that time, sorry, if my sister was not shooting in YRF that day, and that day if I hadn't gotten the opportunity to go and meet the marketing head, मुझे वो marketing job कभी मिलता ही नहीं.
और फिर एक्टर बनते ही.
हाँ, उस टाइम भी एक्टिंग का प्लान नहीं था, प्लान था वर्क एक्सपीरियंस का. बट या इट ऑल लीड्स टू समथिंग और द अदर, ऑफ कोर्स. मतलब मेरी बहन को एक्टर होना पड़ेगा तभी मैं किसी फिल्म सेट पे जा पाई.
बट कोई टेल मी वेरी ऑनेस्टली, अनफेयर एडवांटेज मिलता है बिकॉज प्रियंका चोपड़ा इज योर सिस्टर?
एडवांटेज मेरे करियर में
कुछ मिलता है ऐसे बिकॉज लाइक योर सिस्टर इज अ स्टार एंड देन अब आपको बुलाया गया तो आपको भी अब हर कोई वैसी नजरों से देखेगा, मे बी आपके लिए चीज़ें ईजी हो जाएगी, यू आर ऑलरेडी सिलेक्टेड एज अ पर्सन.
यार ऐसा होता तो इतनी सारी जो मेरी फिल्में नहीं चली वो नहीं होता. मेरी तो कितनी फिल्में नहीं चली, मैंने तो इतना बुरा टाइम देखा है पिछले 10 साल में.
Thank you so much for watching this clip till the end. For more such amazing insightful clips, please subscribe to our channel.